In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving unknown numbers, messages and video calls on WhatsApp. So you want to open up your WhatsApp and then you want to open privacy. So the first option is last seen and online. You want to set that on nobody, and basically nobody will be able to see when was your last time online. For your profile photo, you can say that everybody can see or only your contacts. About, same thing, only your contacts or everybody else. Groups, who in the group can see it, and your status. And of course, if you get like a random message on WhatsApp, you can always say block or add them to your contacts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.